In this video, I will show you how to bulk upload images to Shopify. First of all, open your Shopify account. Then click on the Settings option from the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you will be able to see a drop-down menu on the left side of your screen. So you need to click on Checkout from there. Then you need to click on Shopify App Store from the front screen. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the App Store of Shopify. Click on the search bar from the upper side of your screen and type in bulk upload images. Then different apps will appear, but you want to click on CS Smart Bulk Image Upload as it offers a free plan. Then click on Install and you will be redirected to the installation page. So again, click on Install. Just wait until it's installed, and once it is, you will be able to see here this kind of interface. In here, you need to click on Create New Upload. Now you need to connect here your Google Drive account in which you have your images. For this, just click on Connect and choose that Google account. Make sure to check this Select All box and then click on Continue. As you can see here that my Google Drive account is connected. Now in the folder section, search for the folder in which you have your images. If you have many, you will be able to see all of them over here, but right now I only have 2 in this account. After selecting the folder, move to the next step where you need to select how you want your images to be matched with your inventory. I'm going to go with the third option, which is match if SQ of the product matches the image name. In the next step, just choose if you want to replace any images that are in common with new uploads. And once you have done all of that, you can click on Start Matching. After that, you will be able to see the matching results on the right side of your screen. As you can see that here I have 5 images and all of them are matched. Remember that in the free plan of this app, you are able to upload up to 25 images in bulk. Once you are satisfied with your matching results, you can click on Start Upload and the images will start uploading one by one.